What a lovely and a beautiful makeup transformation. Hey, welcome back to the channel. So in this video you'll be seeing a step-by-step tutorial on how to do your makeup by yourself. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you're welcome to Favor Beauty World channel, where I bring to you videos about beauty, fashion, hairstyle and everything between. Please do well to subscribe. If you are the type that likes makeup and you don't know how to do your makeup yourself, definitely you'll enjoy this video because you will be seeing a step-by-step tutorial on how to do your makeup yourself. That is actually what she's doing. And if you're the type that doesn't know how to make up, just learn from here. For those of you that already know how to make up, just let us know in the comment section. Even though it's not all ladies that like makeup, but let me say, if we are 50 ladies, let me just say 45% of ladies, they like makeup. Learn how to do it yourself and thank me later. And see, you are so talented. For you to know how to do this makeup yourself, that means you are very talented because it's not easy. And let me ask, how many products do you even apply in your face? Because count again. I think I've seen up to 8 or 10 products that you rub only in one face, though the end result came out very beautiful and neat. Wow, you look so beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video and do not forget to subscribe. Bye.